You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, how to pronounce in English the name of this prehistoric geographical region. If you want to learn more confusing names from prehistory, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you here. English pronunciation. Beringia, you know the Bering Strait? Well, that's where it is. Beringia, English pronunciation, how to pronounce Beringia. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.